So, you're starting a new YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to automate the entire process using just a few AI tools. Usually, when choosing a niche, we consider three factors: interest, experience, and profitability. Then, we pick a niche that fits the intersection of these three circles. However, since AI will handle everything for us, we can skip the interest and experience circles entirely and focus on the most profitable niche. Step 1. Selecting the niche. I'll use ChatGPT to generate a list of most profitable, high RPM faceless niches. As you can see, ChatGPT recommended several niches like finance, tech, business, crypto, and real estate, with high RPMs mentioned for each. Out of these, I like the first one, personal finance and investing, the most. Step 2. Naming the channel. Before proceeding, I'll ask ChatGPT to suggest names for my personal finance YouTube channel. It provided several options. I chose Finance Sphere, but to ensure the name is unique, I'll search it on YouTube using the channel filter, since there are only a couple of small channels with this name. Step 3. Designing the channel. First, we need a logo. If you have ideas, great. If not, AI can handle this too. I'll ask ChatGPT for channel icon ideas for Finance Sphere. It suggests concepts like a globe with a coin overlay, a money tree, or a shield with a dollar sign. I like the first one. To design this, I'll use AI tools like Leonardo AI or Adobe Firefly. I'll ask ChatGPT for a detailed prompt to generate the logo in Leonardo. It provides a 2D logo prompt that fits the channel's theme perfectly. Once generated, the AI outputs several designs, and I'll pick my favorite. For channel art, I'll keep it simple and professional. ChatGPT will write a concise description for the banner, and I'll use tools to create visually appealing designs. Step 4. Script writing. The most critical part is the video script. Most creators use basic prompts like, write a YouTube script on 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. While that works, the output often sounds robotic and lacks a professional touch. To enhance this, I'll provide specific instructions to ChatGPT, such as video length. The video should be 10 minutes long, with each point lasting 90 seconds. Audience demographics, targeting 18-30-year-olds in the USA. Audience persona, viewers who want to make smart financial decisions and achieve wealth. Tone, inspirational and authoritative. Storytelling framework, use a 3-act structure. Emotional triggers, include urgency and excitement to keep viewers engaged. Retention tactics, strong intro hooks, smooth transitions, and connected points. Call to action, redirect viewers to another video, e.g. power of compounding. With these instructions, ChatGPT will produce a professional quality script that's ready for record. Step 5. Generating the voiceover. For voiceovers, there are free and paid tools. The best option is ElevenLabs for realistic voices. I'll paste my script into their text-to-speech tool and adjust settings like stability and similarity. This ensures the voice sounds natural and aligns with the channel's tone. If the script exceeds 5,000 characters, I'll generate it in part.
Imagine this. You're 35 years old, staring at your bank statement, and it hits you. The decisions you made in your 20s are now defining your financial future, and not in a good way.
Step 6. Creating visuals. Now for the visuals. I'll ask ChatGPT to suggest prompts for visuals matching each script segment, using tools like Leonardo AI or Ideogram. I'll generate 16:9 aspect ratio images to fit YouTube's screen. These tools allow me to generate up to 30 images daily with a free account. Step 7. Video editing. In a video editor, I'll import the voiceover and visuals. Add transitions like dip to black for a professional look. Use keyframes for zoom effects, making the visuals dynamic. Reduce image opacity to make subtitles more visible. I'll auto-generate English subtitles. This enhances accessibility and boosts engagement. I can edit errors, delete unwanted sections, and format the subtitles directly.
Imagine this. You're 35 years old, staring at your bank statement, and it hits you. The decisions you made in your 20s are now defining your financial future, and not in a good way. Time has passed, but you can't rewind.
If you've watched the video up to this point, congratulations! You've learned how to use AI for YouTube automation. And I hope that by learning YouTube automation with AI, you'll be able to generate a decent income. So, we're now at the ending. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another informative video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.